Good morning, everyone. I am the team leader of group number 61, myself Vipen Kumar, pursuing my engineering in electronics and communication branch.
Hi, I am Rajat Luthra from Electronics and Communication branch.
Hi, I am Subhojit Misra from Electronics and Communication branch.
Hi, I am Hrithik Budhiraja from Electronics and Communication branch.
Hi, I'm Kartik Shegal from Electronics and Communication branch.
Automated medication tracker. Let's start with the problem which our project is supposed to tackle. Assisting elderly patients with their timely medications has become a major concern these days. According to the latest census report by the Government of India, close to 1.5 crore citizens are living away from their family members. More than 80% of the patients occasionally miss their dose of their medicine. The solution that we have implemented. To tackle the mentioned problem, our team came up with the hardware plus software idea automated medication tracker. The hardware consists of a medication box which will ensure timely medicine reminder to the patient and a health band tracker which will monitor the patient's vital readings. These hardware components will be connected with an app and the data will be updated through Firebase. Now let's just see the demo of our project. Medication box. As you can see, we have a medication box at the right side and a real-time database in the middle and our project application at the left side. As we can see, there is a patient named Vipen who has 2 medicines and each medicine quantity is 3. As we took the medicine from our box, the changes are reflected in our database and the application. As you can see, the quantity of Dolo is reduced. Now let's try this one more time and see how the changes are reflected in our database and application. Now as you can see, the changes are reflected in our database and application. Health band tracker. As you can see, we have a health band tracker at the right side and a real-time database in the middle and our project application at the left side. Our health band tracker consists of 3 components: the Wi-Fi module, the temperature sensor and pulse rate sensor. As soon as the patient puts his finger on the pulse rate sensor, changes are reflected in the database and app in every 5 seconds. And as soon as the patient puts his finger on the temperature sensor, changes are reflected in our database and app in every second. As you can see, the changes are reflected in our database and our application. Med tracker application. Firstly, we'll authenticate each and every users. Only authenticated users can make changes in our app. As we already have an account, we are signing in. This is me entering my details. This is the homepage of our app where every patient have their own card and you can see a card named Vipen which shows real-time body temperature and pulse rate. Now users can create as many IDs as they want and I have created an ID named Rajat Luthra and entered his details. Right now I am entering the details of the ID. As soon as I hit the create button, new card will be visible on the screen, as you can see. Now we will add medicines under patient name Rajat Luthra. Firstly, we'll add medicine name and then select the time slot and the time at which we will take medicines. Now as we can see, the medicines it added on the screen and we can see changes on our database. Like you can see the changes are being reflected in our database. Now each patient can buy or order their medication box as well as smartwatch. Now I'll be ordering the medication box. For that we have to first check out and go to the payment process. This is a payment gateway. Users have multiple options available for that: card, UPI and net banking. Once the payment is successful, order will be placed and changes will be saved in the order database. Right now I am adding the details. As you can see, the order is successful and changes are reflected in the database. Now this is the card page. The medicines which are not in our medication box, our app will automatically place orders of that medicine. As in this case, Vipen already has SE log in this medication box, so app automatically detected and places order for Dolo. This is the setting screen. Now the user have to right to delete the medicines if they have accidentally added them. They can also delete the patient's ID, but there will be a confirmation for doing so. Once we confirm, the whole data of the patient will be deleted from our database permanently. Now we'll be logging out from our app. So this is the whole demo of application. Thank you.